Hi there, my name is Yuhan, I'm a technician from local company Appliance Service Guys. Today I will show you how to easily unplug your old dishwasher and plug in your new one. Don't worry, I'll do it in 2 minutes. Before I show you step by step how to do it, let me invite you to subscribe to my Fix Lab right now. And you don't miss a single video from a series of fascinating and informative repairs of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. I came to the right place to complete the task assigned to me by the customer, installing a new LG dishwasher to replace the old one Frigidaire. I take the old dishwasher out the furniture. Now I need to turn off the drain hose, electricity and water supply. I always start turning off the dishwasher by turning off the power. Then I disconnect drain hose from the sewer. After making sure that water is shut off, I unscrew the water supply hose. When replacing a dishwasher, I make sure to replace worn-out communication elements. In each case, I decided to replace the water supply hose. The remaining components of communications are in satisfactory condition. Before installation, I clean the inside of the new dishwasher from packaging elements. I am connecting the new LG dishwasher to sewer, water and electricity. I carefully monitor the quality of the connection. Without building the dishwasher into the furniture, I run the wash cycle and make sure there are no leaks. After making sure that everything is in order, I build a new dishwasher into the furniture. I take out the old dishwasher for disposal and carefully clean up after myself. I start the final wash test cycle. Success! The new dishwasher is ready to use. You subscribe and like. I am making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.